Hello guys, this is Danny here at ParTay. So today I'm using a long throw, and apologies, I didn't have enough, got all kinds of craziness going on here where I'm trying to get some content to show through it. And I wasn't able to get it. This is about 9.5 feet. So, but I did check. This is the Eiki Brilliant Projector XB24 model. I think it said it was 2,500 lumens. Runs roughly about 1,800 hours on the bulb, and when I checked the life cycle on the bulb, I think it's already got like 1,280 something hours on it. So it's definitely past its half-life. But still, with lights coming in through, lights on over here, window open, it's still giving a great image. So, as I've always said, the reflectivity factor in a long throw is going to give me a gain that I don't have in my short throw. It has to be super bright to be able to overcome the daylight here because you don't get that reflectivity. It bounces up and then up towards the ceiling. So essentially what you get on the screen is pretty much all you're going to get. You're not going to get anything reflected back to the eyes that's going to give you, say a higher perception of gain. So, but this is quite good considering all the light that's in this room. So just wanted to do a long throw. I'll do some more long throw examples with this model. I intend to get myself a nice long throw. I really don't have a use for one here at the house, except for we've got an area outside that we're thinking about building a sort of a closed, or a covered deck out by our basketball court, and use that for like a little drive-in area. So if we do that, I'll just use the long throw that I purchase out there for like weekend night movies and stuff like that. That'll be fun. But from an installation standpoint, we use now a lot of ultra short throws in installations. We don't even use as many long throws as we used to. Folks are going with cheaper long throws to use in classroom, not even mounting them, just using them on a table. So we don't really install as many of those anymore. Everything now has kind of gone to UST. So I don't own a long throw. So this is on loan to me for indefinitely, as long as I want to use it. So I'll do some videos, and just so folks can see, what the stuff looks like with a long throw projector. But if you have any questions, reach out to us in the email in the description, and thanks for watching.